Good morning, lovelies. This is Anita Mitchell today with you. Please like, share, and subscribe. We're going to talk about affirmations. This one, I want you to hashtag below, this is my day. This is my day to realize my dreams, to increase my income, to get into my dream house. This is my day. I want you to wake up every day and proclaim, this is my day. Write it down, put it on your refrigerator, put it on your microwave, put it on your mirror in your bathroom, wherever you are. Make sure that you're writing down or you have in front of you your affirmation, this is my day. That will bring everything that you've been working towards into the now. Do this daily. Wake up with a great attitude. Start off with gratitude that you're alive and for everything that you're grateful for. I recently, yesterday, manifested more groceries and a freezer. I had a moving neighbor, and she gave me a freezer full of food, a love seat, and a reclining chair. It was totally out of the blue. Something that I just keep manifesting, neat things keep showing up in my life. And it's awesome. Things that I needed some things to help me organize my closets. And another thing that manifested was a metal rack that I can put in my closet off of my kitchen and organize everything. This is great. It's fantastic. These things start showing up in your life. Be grateful for where you're at now. Be grateful for what you have now. Visualize what you want and let it go. The universe, God, will bring it to you in His timing, in the universe timing. He knows when it's right. So don't worry, don't fret about it, and just give it over to the universe and it will happen. It's amazing how things happen. And I just can't get over it. It's so wonderful and I'm so grateful. But yeah, hashtag below, this is my day. This is your affirmation for today and for the week, for the month. Just concentrate on waking up and on purpose say, this is my day. I am grateful. This is my day. It's finally here and I'm going to get what I've been asking for. Have a positive attitude and go for it, people. This is your life. I love you. God loves you. Just remember you're deeply loved. And remember to be grateful for the things that you already have. And this will help you bring everything into the now. And it's just amazing. I'm just so excited. But I'll leave you with this. God bless you all. Love and light to you all. And I hope you have an amazing day. Bye for now.